Alright everyone, we're here to show you how to install the Forever Wave interchangeable flag system on a Jeep Wrangler. We have a JKU here, and we're going to show you the roll bar mount, the CB antenna mount, and a couple other cool options that Forever Wave offers. So for the roll bar, what we're going to do is use a medium-sized sleeve, and there's a variety of sleeves that you can find depending on the make and model of Jeep on the sleeve size chart, very detailed chart on the website. So we have here a medium sleeve with a zipper in the back. So I'll show you how quick and easy this is. You just wrap the sleeve around the bar, you zip it back here, and it velcros over. Turn it around and position it where you'd like it. Now we're going to take a flag and show you how quickly that will zip right to it. No matter what type of sleeve you have, you'll be able to zip on and off the huge variety of flags from Forever Wave. So again, we just zip that on and we're going to leave it on there. Actually, I'm going to show you something else. So for our roof racks, custom cages, other poles, we have our UTV or extra small sleeve here. Now this one is just an adjustable Velcro sleeve. The tire carrier is a pretty cool spot to mount it. You can mount them on high lift jacks. And this is tapered in the back so we can get it to wrap around there. And zip that flag onto there. So that's another cool spot, just gives you another option. Alright, let's go over here to the CB antenna. So we have a Fire Stick CB antenna mounted. We're going to use the CB antenna sleeve here, the smaller little sleeve. So what you want to do is pop the cap off of the antenna, slide the sleeve down onto it like that. Now we've already had one installed on here, so there's a little zip tie to hold it up here, keep it from sliding down. Want to make sure you replace that cap nice and snug. It's not going anywhere. And once that's installed, go ahead and zip another flag to that. And another great option for the Forever Wave interchangeable flag system. Quick and easy install. One other thing, once you zip the flag onto the antenna, it does have a safety clip. You just clip the zipper pull right onto there, and it's nice and secure.